Hi guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. So here is a picture that I found on Pinterest, excuse me, and then the lovely Emma from The Perfect You done this step by step, so I thought I'd give it a try. So first up, I will be doing an ombre nail with Halo's Blue. I think it's cornflower, I'll have to check that one. So I will just apply it nice and thin to the top half of the nail. Just a nice thin even layer, as we'll be doing a second coat as well. Now I'm going to be using SW Nail Supplies from Sandy. She is on Facebook. And this one is just white. So I'm just going to put a nice thin layer on the bottom. Just budding. As you can see, just putting it up towards the blue, not touching it so I don't get any on my brush. But just make sure you check before you're putting it back in the bottle. Do not cure this yet. Okay, so now I'm getting my ombre brush and just lightly feather over the middle where the two colours meet until you're happy. Just very, very lightly. Done it a bit hard there. And once you're happy, pop that in for a cure. Now I'm just doing the second coat, which I've sped this up as you've just seen what I've done here. And second coat of white, and then I get my ombre brush again and do exactly the same. And then once you're happy, pop it in for a cure. Don't think that's too bad. I haven't done many ombres, so I don't think that's too bad for my second or third try. So now I'm just going over with a matte top coat, which is Neo Nails. Just a nice thin, even layer. Just to make sure you cover the whole nail. And then pop that in for a cure. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some of this gel polish onto my palette. Just so it's easier to do the mermaid tail. Okay, so I'm just popping that picture up again so you can see what I'm following. So I'm going to start off at the top of the tail. I should say bottom, but at the top of the nail. My dog's gone through my legs. There you go, bud. Sorry. Oh, he's tired. So I'm just going to let you watch this little bit while I just follow the step by step. And I'll be back shortly. And once you're happy with that, just pop it in for a cure. Okay, so I'm just putting some more, it's like a pinky purpley colour onto my palette. I don't use this just yet. I just need to do a little bit more in the green, just to add some detail. And once you're happy, pop that in for a cure. That's it so far. I have matte top coated it again, and you'll see why shortly. So I'm just starting on the little details. I do flash cure in between because it's gel polish and it does tend to run a little bit. So I'll just let you watch this bit and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so just popping that picture back up again so you can see what I'm following again. Remember to flash cure in between so it doesn't run. And once you're happy with all that, then just pop it in for a full cure. So now I'm going to get diamond dust from Nail Sugar, which is so sparkly. I love this glitter. Then get my little glitter brush, which is a makeup brush. It's only a cheap one. And just dab it into that tacky layer, which is why I'd done the matte top coat before, so it didn't stick to the other parts. And then just... oh, look at that. So pretty. Put the lid back on so you don't spill it, like I've done in the past. And then just give it a wipe, getting that excess off. I've got white gel paint on my gloves, trying to open it. So now I'm just doing some little dots and little round circles to represent bubbles in the sea. And then once you're happy, pop it in for a full cure. And that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to go over it with a tempering top by SBD London. It's a gorgeous, nice, shiny top coat. I'm just floating it over that glitter. Make sure you check your brush so you don't put the glitter into your bottle once you've finished. And pop it in for a cure. And that's my finished nail. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating it. And I will see you on my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye!